iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns easy win in the Nedbank Cup. Sometimes we expect 24-0. Sometimes we get a coaching clinic. Junior Khanye, our analyst. What do you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Summerfield Power Lines.
Justice.
Easy.
Benedict Vilangas. Ever fit to keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one tried to fix South African football. Minangtani professionalism at Mamelodi Sundowns. Class is permanent, we understand, but we're talking about the professionalism. They approach the game very sober-minded. You hardly see these players taking things granted when they are given a platform. I'm happy for Sirino. I'm happy for Kapinga. I'm happy for Erasmus. I mean, these players, they are not playing regularly. But you always, when they get it, because of they know what is expected. Players that they're sharing with, they always producing week in and week out. So I love their midfield. Computer Andi Labomabu is from injury. It's unluck, not because it's benched. It's unluck, it's from injury. But look at the Upamisi Sandla. I like Umkoena the way he's Namhlanje Nkulmange NH understanding their position. Yes, it's not Andy Lechali, but the quality is there. He's in the right direction. I like Ipek Triabo, Nkulmangaye, Ulibusa. And I don't Chitalo yes.
And on the left.
Yeah, but they will trade the back by master in their position. They are back three and Sandy composure. Not to Teruku Libusa, there's no different. Pound to pound, in Kulmanga player that they're playing similar position that the starter. They play the same. In the equality of philosophy club, the culture of the team. And the player, they understand what is needed from them. They're always playing a department, quality side in page. The way they are scoring, its identity, it's the same. I'm tap in, it's like scheduling how we score. Abu Kemit. Yes, one individual, Abu Kemit, they score different because of the quality they have individual, but Ama Kolabo is same as Shali they score, the way he scored, Umshishi, the way he scored, Kapinga. So, unfortunately, Kapinga is a stats between him. I mean, I don't believe Guma states. Between him and Mshishi is doing well for sometimes. We need to be honest. But Kapinga deserves to play as well, if you can be honest. I love this dynamism. I love Umchita when he's given a platform, he doesn't take things granted. It's him Aboman today coming to this game. It was like a training session. Yes. I'm sure it was like a training session, and they were fluid in Gule, and Eguma area right. When it's time to go and score, they score. When it's time to keep the ball, they keep the ball. When it's time at the back, whereby they need to game management, they do that. Or they circulate the ball at the back, you got right, you got left, in the middle, but if in the middle there's a space, good pattern today, and then they attack.
I'm just trying to think of a highlight as we try to focus on Summerfield. I know that they had one opportunity that they should have scored, but generally speaking, I don't know if they've learned anything from this game. Generally speaking, in the approaching a game, could they have done better? I mean, Sundowns is Sundowns anyways.
They came here to figure, I didn't understand the strategy Sabusari came, because we move going forward. But kind of came in speed back too. Because sometimes they press you high. And I'm trying to press high every time. They press you high. Whether they're not playing these players, front three, they press you high. If you pull any fella, Baluina. They had to go to Manga Father, win in the middle. If you pull any father, middle joy. That's what they did. That's how Sundowns. That's what Sundowns do. If they lose the ball up front, immediately they push you. Behind. And also defensive goalkeeper come and then be nearer to defense. If anything, go and triple well win. And then the Sundowns kunzim good break. And then into ama wing this front three, right and left forward, they go in. If they don't have hip order, but when they got the ball, they slightly go outside. And they allow Kapinga good players gula pockets, and also Umabuye na joins. So it downs. And what I love about the midfield, they hardly play sideways. especially makudlala uMabuye, kudlala uNdile Chali, kudlala uMkwena. They play forward.
Yeah, Summerfield, what would the lessons be today?
Yeah.
I know Sundowns is strong. I mean, we all know Sundowns is Sundowns, but for a team in the ABC Musepe League, what can you really do? Because Sundowns have scored anyway.
Gule game le abachita njoba ngisho. I didn't understand the strategy of the coach. I'm not too sure whether it's 4-4-2, 4-5-1, 4-2-3-1. Because it's team yabo njoba ngishilo mina njoba dlala Sundowns namhlanje. They came back behind the ball bonke.
Yeah.
Straight line. Yabo even labantu abayithuba badlala up front, they came babe straight babe 6 mhlambe, and labantu abadlala la at the back they press baba straight nabo, they break them mabadlala ngepass one ba break babonke. So they came vika namhlanje going in terms ukuthi babe ne strategy to attack. I couldn't understand the structure sabo ukuthi sime kanjani. I mean it goes nange coaching yabo point ukuthi coach bekumele iba coach ukuthi chance the way you are playing njoba nilapho mayinodlala ama playoff school league, just play the way you are playing league. I'm sure kuze babe lapha it was not all about, yes it was about defending very well and scoring very well, attacking very well, but now I think today's strategy it was about defending. Sundowns, yes, Sundowns ishaburi chest pay is true, but as a coach mele sikutshela ukuthi okay isitshele when you watch ukuthi strategy salo mchita is going wide, you want crosses, is a coach whereby ufuna breaker in the middle, but now in the middle yakhe baningi kuleyo. I mean it like as join esimake bese ama defenders sondela ngephase once obaqedile. That's what I saw. And another thing into engiyibonile bafuna ukudlala ibhola etebhek bama kanjani. I mean badlala ibhola nini they pass opponent pass ama opponent. Yes I understand ukuthi Sundowns ya pressure, but nabo nkuleko man ngiphinde ngibablame ukuthi yeah.
Let me ask you a last one then. I think we've had an opportunity here in South Africa to allow fans back at stadiums. Today was the first one domestically, but Pirates bedlala conferred, fans were allowed to go in there. Sundowns now bedlala in Almeric FNB, fans were allowed there. So it could have been 45,000, Mangabe stadium so 90,000. They allowed to get in half. But I think Sundowns they only got 10 or 12,000 player match FNB. Today it was a little bit worse in terms of attendance. Maybe just a word to the fans of Bakutas and by stadium. But I think the other factor is that we will still see low numbers for as long as Abantu Betinga would Bapete vaccine certificate to go to the stadium. What would your word be to the fans just to encourage them but go back to the stadium?
Yeah, first these players they need to know, they need to buy these fans to come to the stadium, buy the football they are playing. Now they must showcase their talent.
Yeah, for sure. Sundowns, that's one team that
we need to start there.
Sell you with football, Sundowns.
You understand? Even if you favor Pirates was always stadium, Sundowns. Yeah. They representing us with Champions League. They play the same as they play Kapinga with iDiskiTV Premiership. Yeah. So players also coaches. I'm emphasizing. Can you make sure you put the confidence to these players and believe in your team? There's no way we see helicopter. Helicopter football. Yabo, can they play as South African? Can we play the ball in the game? Now on the ground. Now Sundowns is one of the teams that is representing us, Africa. Also iDiskiTV Premiership, they are champions last year before last year. They play the same on the ground, each and every. So coaches they can learn them. Going to stay fans. I'm a fans and I'm a fans whereby if a team be winning then I'm trying. There must be fans. A fan is somebody whether how you doing. You die with that team. A team no matter enzani with the team, you must be like loyal to your team because of angibona ukuthi kune fan whereby elengathi li fan nkuleko li favor Sundowns this week, next week favor Chiefs, next week Orlando Pirates. It means you're not a fan. You understand? You need to understand those are humans. You understand? Yes, bawenza ama mistake, but as I'm saying now these players can they showcase? And I mean might be yabo wena ngizosho straight inkuleko. Ama fans they've been crying now. It's from the bottom of my heart, from the bottom which we need Thabo Khanye. But from the stadium. And now it's approved they need to go to the stadium. But I'm sure they will vaccine. So now can they attend? So that ikutaze man, give more numbers to the stadium. Ikutaze can they attend now? Irrespective of our team, I'm sure they're gonna do well. Now they're gonna have a pressure. I mean our fans they are coming. We need to impress these fans. We need to bring more. senza ukuthi ama-fans alwele ukuthi they need to fight ukuthi sicela inamba increase. You understand? Kufana se-Europe ukuthi i-stadium sibe full packed. But if they're not gonna nabo njengoba ngisho qala ngama-player ama-team angadlali good football, these players they scared to express themselves, and these coaches putting players under pressure, badlali early football, learning nothing. I mean, it's going to be a problem. I'm fans good attend. Now, my fans, please,
There you go. Thank you so much for that message. Thank you for watching this video. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching.